Welcome to Digital Electronics lecture series. I, Professor Ritesh Dulakia, is going to explain you Boolean rules, or one can say Boolean Algebra Rules in this session. So I'll start with basic AOI operation rules, right, where A stands for AND gate Boolean rules, then O stands for OR gate Boolean rules, then I stands for inverter, means NOT gate Boolean rules. So here, as for AOI rules, A is AND gate Boolean rules. So before I explain you AND gate Boolean rules, one should know what is AND gate operation, right? So in AND gate operation, if I consider two terminal AND gate, right, with ANDing operation of A and B, then if both inputs are 1, then only output will be 1. Output that will be 1 only if both inputs are 1, else my output will be 0. That is what AND gate, right? Now let me establish Boolean rules for AND gate. So over here, first one will be A dot A. Now what is A dot A? Now you see A dot A means what? ANDing of A with A only, right? So if I say A is 0, then 0 0, that is 0, and if A is 1, then 1 1, that is 1. So that is A only, right? So if you do ANDing of A with A, that will be A only. Now second is A dot 0. So when you do A dot 0, so you can see 0 dot 0, so that is 0, and 1 dot 0, that is even 0. So A dot 0, that is always 0. Now third is A dot 1. So when you have A dot 1, means A is 0, in that case 0 dot 1, that is 0, and if A is 1, then 1 dot 1, that is 1, means that is A only, right? So here we can say A dot 1, that is A. And as if you do A dot A bar, so what it means, if A is 0, then A bar is 1, so 0 dot 1, that is 0, and if A is 1, A bar is 0, so 1 dot 0, that is 0, so A dot A bar, that is 0. So these are AND gate rules which is there with Boolean algebra rules, right? And as per AOI, now I'll explain you OR gate rules. Now first we should know what is OR gate operation. So see, in OR gate operation, if any input is 1, then output is 1, right? So here if I consider two terminal OR, 0 0, output is 0, 0 1, output is 1, 1 0, output is 1, and 1 1, output is 1. Now let us establish OR gate Boolean rules. So see here, if you do this operation A plus A, right? So here you can see 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 1 plus 1, that is 1. So that means it is A only, right? So A plus A, that is A only. Now if you do this operation A plus 0, so if A is 0 plus 0, so that is 0. If A is 1 plus 0, that is 1, means it is A only. So A plus 0, that is A. Now A plus 1. So when you do A plus 1, so you can see if A is 0 plus 1, so that is 1, and if A is 1 plus 1, that is 1, means in both of the situation output is 1, means A plus 1 is 1. And next is A plus A bar. So if A is 0, A bar is 1, so 0 plus 1, that is 1. If A is 1, then A bar is 0, so 1 plus 0, that is 1, means a plus a bar, that is 1. You can see in both of the situation it is 1. So these are the rules which is there with OR gate Boolean operation. Now as per AOI, inverter that we need to consider. So NOT gate. So in NOT gate, see, if input is 1 then output is 0, and if input is 0 then output is 1. See, that is how NOT gate functions. So here, see, if you do this a double complement, then that should be a only. Now see how. A complement is y, right? So if you do again complement of it, so that will be this only. So we can say a double complement is a. So this is what NOT gate Boolean algebra rules. Now I'll explain you distributive law. Now see, in distributive law, this is quite simple rule. First one, so that we can say a dot b plus c. So that will be a dot b plus a dot c, right? But now I'll give you one more distributive law that is a bit tricky. So you just see this, a plus b dot c, that is a plus b dot a plus c. Now see how it is happening. So see here, if I think you might be convinced with this first one, right? So here we are just replacing dot with plus and plus with dot. You can see this dot, that is what we have replaced it with plus, and this plus that we have replaced it with dot. You can see. Right. So this is what distributive rule, and this is very important. So one should remember this, right? Now by using this distributive law, there are some tricky equations which we can identify. Like see, if you have a plus a bar b, right? Then as per this second distributive law, we can say this is a plus a bar dot a plus b. So a plus a bar, that is 1. So 1 dot a plus b. So 1 dot a, that is a. So 1 dot a plus b is a plus b. And if you do this a bar plus ab, then even we can apply same distributive law where a bar plus a dot a bar plus b, right? And here a bar plus a, that is 1. So 1 dot this, that is this. So we can say this is a plus b. So usually in examples you will have to use this equation many times, right? So this is very important, and that is what we are utilizing in solution of examples. So now I'll explain you commutative law. So in commutative law, a plus b, that is equals to b plus a, as well as in dot even that follows it, a dot b is equals to b dot a. As well as in associative law, it is applicable. Like see, a plus b plus c. So now we can have association of a plus b plus c like this. As well as in dot we can. So this is associative law. Now very much important rule that we have already derived it in my previous video, that is De Morgan's law. So as per De Morgan's law, a plus b whole bar, that is equals to a bar dot b bar, and second equation of De Morgan's law, that was a dot b whole bar, that is a bar plus b bar. Means complement of sum is equals to product of complement, and complement of product is equals to sum of complement, right? So that is what we have already derived. So by using these equations, we can solve any problem regarding Boolean algebra, and here one should know the priorities, right? So how to apply these rules? So with that, there are some priorities. So priorities that should be as per NOT and an OR gate priority. So priority that should be applied as per NOT and an OR priority, right? So these are the Boolean rules. Let us solve one problem, so that will resolve your understanding a bit. So I'll give you one exercise question over here. Now question is to resolve this equation by using Boolean rules, right? So here first we need to see, is it possible to have NOT operation? So we don't see anything which is there with respect to NOT operation. So now I need to combine those equations which is, so here you can see x z bar, that is common in both of this. So if I take it common, x z bar, then here it will be y plus y bar plus y z bar, and y plus y bar, that is 1. So we can say this is x z bar plus y z bar. And here we need to see further simplification is possible or not, but I don't see anything is possible from here. So here this is even final answer, as well as you can write this answer as per by taking z bar common. So x plus y dot z bar. So see, this is how we can simplify Boolean equations, right? I hope that you have understood this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do give your valuable suggestions. Definitely based on your suggestions in future I'll make videos which will solve your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video.